Hey,
What are you thankful for?
I'm thankful for essential oils.
Essential oils are a great way to support your emotional health. And today we're going to be making a roll-on recipe that will help you be more thankful.
So let's get our essential oil recipe box from this month.
From your recipe box, you're going to want to grab your labels. And for essential oils, we're going to use winter spice, candy cane, and lime essential oils.
And from your big bonus box, you're going to want to grab one of your roll-on bottles and also your fractionated coconut oil.
Roll-ons are a super easy way to use essential oils for on-the-go support. We're going to pre-dilute these essential oils with coconut oil so that they are safe to use on the skin.
Add 3 drops of winter spice
2 drops of candy cane.
and 1 drop of lime.
Then you're going to fill your roll-on the rest of the way with fractionated coconut oil to dilute it. You can also use a different carrier oil if you prefer. Put our roll-on cap back on and shake it to mix. We want to remember to label it, otherwise we won't know what's in our roll-on. You can apply it to pulse points when you're feeling stressed or overwhelmed to help you remember to be thankful.
For more recipes just like this, head to simplyearth.com/box and hit that subscribe now button.
You'll love learning how to use essential oils with confidence and clarity.
Thanks for watching.